Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox 7, and today I brought another exciting review, another new review for you guys. It's a personal blender. It's a very good size blender. So video is not sponsored. Please watch till end. I will provide an honest review to guys. Here we have the box of the product. We have all the details about the products on the box, and now we will open the box, unbox it, and then let's take all the contents out of the box. Here we have the warranty paper and the user manual. Before using any product, we should read the user manual so we can know about the product, and after that we will take out all the contents, all the attachments out of the box. Everything is well packed, everything is well secured in the box, everything is like very good packing. So we are taking out everything from the box. We have like 2 jars we can see, and like one machine with it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now, and also turn on the bell icon so you can turn on the notifications. If we are going outside, we can make our drinks, our protein shake, like any shake. We have to just put this lid on the bottle and you are ready to go. Next we have this blender jar, this mixie jar. We can use this as a bottle. We can put our smoothies and shake in it, and after that we just need to cover it with a lid and we can just take it outside with us. And here we have another lid. The lid basically has very sharp blades on it. As you can see in the video, the sharpness of these blades is described in user manual as well. We can blend anything in this blender. We can like blend or mix our frozen things in it, frozen fruits. If we want to make smoothies or milkshakes with the frozen fruits, then this is the best blender. Because like if we talk about its price and its size and everything, for me it's the best blender because the size of this blender is very compact. It takes very less space. And here we have another bottle. We can use it for go to drinks, and we have another lid. We can use it on top of it, and same as the previous one. So everything is same, like just another for like an extra, you can say a bonus one. So now it's time to use the product. First I will just wash everything and then we will use it. But before that I wanted to show you guys the machine bottom part. As you guys can see, it's really pretty and really simple. There are not a lot of options, just there is one button, and on the bottom part it has 3 non-slippable pads, and you can just put it and it will not move from its place. There is one button on it, and all the material they used in it is stainless steel. It's look really nice and really like smooth. Everything is so smooth. And here we have the place we can put our blender jar, and we have the cable here. We can just unwrap the wire, unwrap it and see how long it is, and we will plug in it when we will ready to make our drink. And now it's time to make our drink. I just washed everything, like all the jars and all the lids on it, and dried them up. And here we have, it has 4 frozen berries. It has strawberry, blackberry, raspberry and blueberry, and these all are frozen because I wanted to show you guys how it works with the frozen fruits. So I just put this amount of fruit, and after that we will put milk in it. I am using 1 glass of milk, and you can see the quantity in the video, and just put the lid on it. And now it's time to just blend it. Before blending I just make sure everything is well settled down, and you can just plug in the wire, and after that you need to, and you can see in the video, after pressing the button for 3 or 4 times, it just blended everything like so smoothly, so nicely in it. You can see in the video like our drink is just ready within seconds. One thing I want to tell you guys is that with the frozen fruits, frozen product, this blender just work awesome. Like it is very nice, it is very great with the frozen fruits. You can see it just blend everything. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you guys can also let me know what kind of videos you wanna watch, like what kind of reviews you want me to do. See you in the next review. Till then, bye bye.